Hi. Long-time listener, first-time hot seater. Two people ago, you said something along the lines of when you get to the place with conditions, something around using the conditions as leverage.
Well, this is in the conversation of the better it gets, the better it gets. So we really don't want you to need conditions to feel good. But once you understand how to feel good without the conditions, then as that momentum gets going, the good conditions will feed the next and the next and the next. It's sort of like Esther used this phrase with her daughter a few days ago, and her daughter said, I don't know what that means, and I don't know anybody else that knows what that means. Esther said it's like priming the pump. Does anybody know what priming the pump is? So it's like that. It's like once you get it going, it will continue to flow.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Okay, and then since June, all I've been focused on is feeling good, being happy, having fun, and everything is always working out for me.
Yeah.
Everything. It's so awesome.
That's the way.
Absolutely.
That's the way. And we are thrilled to inform you that your vortex has so much more to yield, and that the surprises and delights are going to become bigger and better, but you're not going to notice it. And this is why. As you move with your own expansion, the manifestations feel like the next logical step, not like some amazing thing that just knocks you over. And that really is such a good place to be, when it just feels natural and like the next logical step for you to have as much money as you can spend today or tomorrow or the next day. In other words, just in and out, in and out. Really good.
It's awesome.
It is indeed.
Thank you.
Yeah.